Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Okay, so before you do anything, the first thing that you want to do is you want to put your toilet bowl cleaner inside the toilet. That's the first thing you want to do, because the toilet is going to be the last thing that you clean. Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be teaching my son how to clean the bathroom. This is the first time that he will have a bathroom to himself, and he does not have many chores around the house. His only chores are take the trash out and keep his room clean, which I have to constantly remind him of, and I'm sure this will not be any different. However, I want him to know the proper way to clean the bathroom. We're going to use this. You're going to spray it with that. You just spray that. I'm going to use some older band. So you're going to scrub all of that down. All on the side. All at the bottom. Because it's really dirty. So you just let all your cleaners sit. And then you could sweep last, but I usually sweep first. So go ahead and start sweeping. Sweep up all your trash in a pile and then sweep it in your dustpan. Make sure you get all behind. No, don't sweep it out to the carpet. It's easier to sweep it up right here. See all this trash behind here? Don't sweep it out to the carpet. Put it on the dustpan right in here because it's easier. First thing you want to do is cut on your water. So you want to get some water in your tub. Cut your water on. Get some water in your tub. I don't know if you were able to detect it, lifestyle lovers, but my son had attitude all over his face. He was not happy about having to stop playing his Fortnite game in order to learn how to clean the bathroom. In this clip, lifestyle lovers, I am simply cutting the Scrub Daddy sponge in two, as well as the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. That way I can show my son exactly what he should be doing, and he can go behind me with his own sponge and mimic what I taught him. Here, let me show you an easier way. Okay, and take your scrub brush and you're going to start scrubbing the tub. So any type of dirt that you see on here, you want to scrub it off, and you want to scrub everywhere. So you're going to have to stand inside the tub. So you're going to have to scrub as far as you can reach up here. Whatever you can't reach, I get in there and reach. Move on to your sink.
Spray this in? Spray this in?
Yep, spray that in there. Okay, that's enough.
I'm gonna get this up.
Huh?
I'm gonna get this up.
So do the same thing, just what you did with the tub. Take your scrubber, this trash, right?
Yeah.
Take your scrubber, scrub inside the sink, scrub around the sink. Okay, you don't have to keep spraying this stuff. You don't spray it enough.
Lifestyle lovers, all of the cleaning products used in this video are from the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day collection in the lavender scent. These are all natural products that I purchased from the Grove Collaborative with the exception of the Clorox Bowl Cleaner, which I handled myself, and these products will remain in the bathroom for my son to use when he cleans.
So that's what you do. Just put your hands up under there. That's what you do. Just take your thing, rinse it out. You sprayed too much of that stuff. You got stuff everywhere. You done cleaning? You done cleaning? Scrubbing? So you need to take this and wipe it down. Okay, take this cloth, wipe it down, wipe the suds down. Now you need a clear sink without any suds. You can wring that out as you need to and rinse it out like this. Let me show you. Take this, rinse it out like this. You want to wipe everything down. Now you want to get out the suds.
The yellow cloth that my son is using to wipe down the sink is something that I purchased today from Home Depot. It's the Odor Band Micro Sham Cloth. It reduces bacteria by 99% and they can be washed and reused up to 100 times.
This is what you're going to clean out the toilet with, right? Get on there, and you're gonna get up under here. You see where I'm up under here? Mm-hmm. The cleaner is already inside, and you're gonna scrub. You're gonna scrub up under here.
We're gonna scrub the outside too with that?
Not with this. No, not with this. This is just for the inside of the toilet. So you're gonna scrub up under, and then you're gonna scrub around. So any type of stuff you see in the toilet, any type of rings, you wanna scrub around and inside, just like you were scrubbing the tub. Now let me see you do it. You done? So you're gonna have a trash can. Don't let it fall in there. So when you're done, you see this button right here? You put this over your trash and you release it. And it falls just like that. You can rinse it off because you got some You got some cleaner on here. You rinse it off. You stick it back in there. Now you're done with the inside of the toilet. You sit that to the side where your scrub brush at. Now it's time for the icky part. This is the icky part. Because now you have to scrub your toilet down. Okay. So start from the top. Any dirt that's on your toilet, you want to scrub it down with your scrub brush. You want to loosen it. You want to scrub it. Entire toilet. Whatever on the seat, you got to scrub it off. Whatever around the rim, it ain't gonna be pretty, but you're gonna have to scrub it off. Okay, get down to the bottom. You want me to show you how to do the bottom? No, you already cleaned the inside. You already cleaned the inside. Don't stick the sponge in the inside. You don't have to stick your hand in the inside of the toilet. You clean that part. You just want to clean around the toilet. Once you clean the inside, that's it. You just have to clean the outside. Okay, you don't spend enough time on there. Get around here. You're going to have to bend. Yeah, you're going to have to bend. Get all on the sides. You see on the sides where those little things at? Let me show you. You see?
Can I bend down now?
Yeah, let me show you how you got to do it. You can bend. You got to get on your knees like this. You got to get on your knees. You got to put a little muscle into it. You can bend down. You're going to try to do like this to hurt your leg. Get on your knees if you have to.
Officially done now.
You think you're done? You think it's clean? Would you use this bathroom? Huh? If you was at somebody else's house, would you use it? Do you like using dirty bathrooms?
I don't like using restaurant bathrooms.
You don't like using what?
Restaurant bathrooms.
Restaurant bathrooms? Why?
It's like I peed, but I never do one in restaurant bathrooms.
Okay, TMI. So do you think you could do this again by yourself without my help? You need my help to do this again? Why?
So I'm gonna forget what to do.
Okay, well, if you do it enough times, you'll remember. Just for the record, guys, I did not use the Myers toilet bowl cleaner because I have used it before, and it did not get my toilet as clean as I would have liked it to be. So I am going to keep it in this bathroom for my son to use, since it's, you know, just less harsh. But based on my review, it just doesn't clean my toilet as well as the Clorox. So that was the reason that I did not use it, but I do have it.
Overall, I will say my son did a pretty decent job for his first time cleaning the bathroom, but as a mother, I have to go back in and wipe the entire bathroom down with some Lysol wipes. But I thank you for joining us, lifestyle lovers, on this Clean With Me Kids Edition. Let me know how you think my son did. Was there anything that I forgot to teach him? Be sure to like, subscribe, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you on the next video, lifestyle lovers. Have a great day.